537. Strategy. According to Michael Porter, who is the author of Competitive Strategy, which of the following is the tool that is used to classify a company's business activities into main activities and supporting activities on a function-function basis in order to identify key activities that generate the profit for the company and the possible benefit for customers? A. 3C analysis. B. Value chain analysis. C. SWOT analysis. Or D. 5 forces analysis. Value chain analysis. Value chain analysis, or VCA, is a process where a firm identifies its primary and support activities that add value to its final product and then analyze these activities to reduce costs or increase differentiation. It is a strategy tool that is used to analyze internal activities, and its goal is to recognize which activities are the most valuable to the firm and which ones could be improved to provide competitive advantage. Value chain analysis is an analysis technique that divides corporate activities into primary activities and support activities, and clarifies that the added value of the product and services provided by the company is generated through which activity. This analysis makes it clear that the points that can compete advantageously in each industry and market are different. This method proves to be effective in detecting the success factors, i.e. the key factors for success in the industry. Michael Porter's value chain model. Through the survey, analysis, and evaluation of the value chain, the structure of the industry, highest income business of a company, and the strong points and weak points of a company in the industry and market are clarified, and as a result, the value chain is systematically organized and the competitive strategy is created. Here is a figure of Michael Porter's schematic diagram of value chain model. On the bottom are the primary activities, who on top sits the support activities. The primary activities include inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Support activities include procurement, technology development, human resource management, and firm infrastructure. And on the right here, we have the margin. So, the value chain analysis tool is used to classify a company's business activities into main activities and supporting activities on a function-by-function basis in order to identify key activities that generate the profit for the company and the possible benefit for customers. Thus, B is the most appropriate answer. Let's take a look at the other answer choices. Option A, 3C analysis, is a technique of analyzing the 3 C's, namely customer, competitor, and company. Its purpose is to find out the gap between the key factor of success of the business and the analysis results of a company, and then understand the business environment. Option C, SWOT analysis, is an analysis technique that clarifies the enterprise strategies of attack and defense by analyzing the internal and external factors of a company. The initial letters of strength and weakness from the S and the W of the internal factors and opportunities and threat, or O and T, of the external factors are taken and referred to as SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Option D, 5 forces analysis, is a framework that attempts to analyze the level of competition within an industry and business strategy development. It draws upon industrial organization economics to derive 5 forces that determine the competitive intensity and therefore attractiveness of an industry. Attractiveness in this context refers to the overall industry profitability. An unattractive industry is one in which the combination of these 5 forces act to drive down the overall profitability. A very unattractive industry would be one approaching pure competition, in which available profits for all firms are driven to normal profit. This analysis is associated with its principal innovator, Michael E. Porter of Harvard University. Here is a diagram of a graphical representation of Porter's 5 forces analysis, with the industry rivalry in the middle, bargaining power of suppliers coming in from the top, bargaining power of buyers coming in from the bottom, threat of new entrants from the left, and threat of substitutes from the right. So, the tool that is used to classify a company's business activities into main and supporting activities is the value chain analysis, or the VCA. Value chain analysis. Therefore, the correct answer was option B.